Hi, welcome to another edition of Matters of Law. Matters of Law, the law reigns supreme. Connect with us on XTVGH on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Today, we are discussing the Persons with Disability Act 2006, Act 715. Let's go for a spot of commission.
This program is brought to you by PEG Enterprise. Call us on 0240 533 097 0240 533 097 for your delicious pastries, cookies and drinks. Locate PEG Enterprise near KK House in Ho.
Welcome back. Persons with Disability Act 2006, Act 715 is what we are considering today. Persons with disability are entitled to live freely with their family and establish all the social ties that they need. They are not to be discriminated against, and no one is supposed to prevent them from enjoying the basic access to any service that they do want. It is important to also state that they are not to be exploited or to be treated differently from any other person. The law requires that persons with disability who access public places are given the necessary facilities to make it easier for them to access all those public places. For example, you may see that persons who are not able to use the stairs are offered ramps, and buildings which are fitted in such a way that it will make it difficult with persons with disability to be able to navigate are allowed to make modifications to such buildings to allow persons with disability move freely about or use those buildings without any difficulty. It is also important to state that the law makes provision for them in terms of access to public services. For example, if a person with disability, for example, who cannot see, goes to a place where he needs to read a particular document, provision must be made for them to be able to hear exactly what instructions are supposed to be given to them. If a person with disability who cannot also hear goes to a place, a provision of a sign language person must be there so that the person has access to sign language to be able to communicate freely and clearly. It is also important to know that persons with disability who are part of judicial proceedings, meaning cases in court, are given the necessary facilities so that they are able to participate fully in the cases that they are in or that they are part of. Do you also know that if you give derogatory names to persons with disability by virtue of their disability, you are committing a criminal offense? Indeed, you could earn yourself a maximum of 50 penalty units or 3 months in prison, or both, if you call a person with disability derogatory names because of their disability. It is also important to know that the law makes provisions for them that they should not be exploited or be abused. So if you have a person with disability who works with you and you are exploiting the person or you are abusing the person, you are committing an offense. You need to stop. It is also important to know that there are various employment centers which have been provided for so that persons with disability can register with those employment centers. We have been discussing the Person with Disability Act 2006, Act 715. I've given you a few highlights. Please remember that you provide the necessary assistance to persons with disability whenever you meet them because the law has made provisions for them. Thank you for watching this edition of Matters of Law. Connect with us on XTVGH on YouTube and Explore TVGH on Facebook. Thank you. Catch you next week.
To support this program, contact XTV on 024 606 1095 or 050 836 4159 or send us an email to info@stvgh.com.